For people and nature, the Tana River is a life force. It provides 95% of Nairobi's fresh water, generates 40% of the nation's total energy, and anchors one of the country's most productive agricultural regions. But for decades, the river was under intense pressure, pushed to the brink. When forests in the upper watershed were converted to farmlands, erosion followed. Sediment flowing downstream clogged water intakes, increased treatment costs, and often disrupted Nairobi's water supply for days at a time. Faced with rising water insecurity, local stakeholders had a bold idea. The concept was simple, yet powerful. To protect Nairobi's water supply, we had to start at the source. We had to protect nature herself. When the Upper Tana-Nairobi Water Fund launched in 2015, it became the first program of its kind in Africa and a model for what was possible across the continent and around the world.
Na tangu nianzie kulima, sijawahi kuona faida. Sababu maji ilikuwa inanisumbua zaidi. Ilikuwa inanibidi ningojee mpaka mvua inyeshe ndio nipate maji ya kulima. Lakini tangu hawa watu wa water fund wakuje, naona faida.
Working with thousands of smallholder farmers, the Water Fund enabled practical conservation strategies. Terracing was introduced to hillsides, reducing erosion into the river. Water pans were installed to relieve water pressure during dry seasons. Riverbanks were restored to reduce sediment flow, and more.
For the last 5 years, there have been less lanes, but through the Water Fund, I have managed to do my farming well because they have helped me, and they have also taught me how to collect water to bring it to my water pan.
These interventions improved farm productivity, increased water quality, and strengthened water security for Nairobi. 10 years on, the Water Fund has delivered impact worth celebrating. Healthier soils are generating higher yields and better livelihoods for farmers. Cleaner water means lower treatment costs for utilities. And restored forests are giving biodiversity a fighting chance. The community has already seen $100 million in direct benefits. 260,000 farmers have been engaged. 5.9 million trees have been planted. 470,000 acres of land and 980 kilometers of rivers are now under improved management. 22,000 green jobs have been created. And $1.2 million has been saved in water treatment costs alone.
I have rehabilitated almost 150 trees. My production have increased from 2 kilos to 7 kilos per tree.
Since we partnered with the Nairobi Water Fund, we are able to acquire RFA certification to be for better prices of our coffee.
Now an independent organization sustained by its own endowment fund, the Upper Tana-Nairobi Water Fund Trust is locally led and built to last. Today, we celebrate 10 years of Africa's pioneering water fund and the thousands of stakeholders who have joined together as a single force for nature. Together, we are proving what's possible when we invest in nature and in each other.